The Bluebeam-Claude integration is honestly pretty disappointing. The idea was that you could point Claude at your construction drawings and you could ask it questions like perform a quantity takeoff or identify all of the information in the schedules. I've experimented with it on some pretty basic tasks and it has continually failed. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what the Bluebeam AI connection does, what it can't do, where I think it is sort of useful, and basically some other workarounds for performing tasks like doing quantity takeoffs or reading construction drawings with AI. So just quickly, to access the Bluebeam-Claude integration, you need to be on a Bluebeam Max account to get the AI integration via MCP. And then when you're on Bluebeam Max, installing it is actually incredibly easy. In fairness to Bluebeam, it's probably the easiest one I've set up, like MCP connection to software setup. You basically just go to admin, MPC, and enable the MCP and Claude for Windows. Now, the way the MCP actually works is what it does is it converts your set of PDF construction drawings into a text representation. So it's important to understand that what it's doing is it extracts the text layer from the drawings, but it can't actually see the visual side of this, which is kind of disappointing. And it also only operates on the existing open set of PDF drawings you have. So for example, I'm testing it doing a takeoff on the number of footings on this set of construction drawings. And again, because these footings have a text representation where this F6 is a text that the model can count, it should do this pretty accurately. But if this was sort of a linear measurement or from like a piping schematic, or I asked it to try and get the area of the slab, it wouldn't be able to do it because it's not processing the visual information. It can only look at the text layer. Now, in fairness to Bluebeam, I assume this is just the starting point and they're going to add more and more features to this. But basically this exact thing you could do without the Bluebeam MCP, and you could probably do it more accurately and actually get the areas of the footing with some basic Claude skills or Claude workflows that you build yourself. So basically it's got no vision, no OCR, and it can't actually read the lines and the schematics or understand what is actually shown on the drawings. Again, being fair to Bluebeam, I assume this is just an initial release and they're going to be adding more features to it. But from what I've seen, you can basically a lot of the stuff I thought they were going to have in this, you can create yourself quite easily. Okay, so for this first example, it actually did go and count all the footings correctly. I just did a quick scan. Now I've asked it the next question, which is, can you actually get the area of the slab, which it's not going to be able to do because it can't actually look at the visual information. It can only count the text from the tags. And it's actually come back and said this to me, and it says, and here's the honest limitation: the Bluebeam tool set can search text, add text markups, read markups, and pull page and color information, but it has no area function measurement. It can't drop a polygon on the slab and have review calculate the meters squared because it can't process the visual information. Now, it does have some good features that I think are useful that would be hard to do without it. So for example, if I wanted to say, can you go through this construction drawing and change all and add a not for construction stamp to all the drawings. This is something it's going to be doing quite a good job at, and I think is actually quite a good use case if you are sort of doing a lot of markups on a drawing and you have 20 markups and you want to change the same thing on all the drawings. That can actually go through and it could go through and do some edit all your markups on the drawing. So again, this would be the sort of thing I think it's useful for. But again, the stuff like doing quantity takeoffs, using AI to understand drawings, I genuinely think just using co-work and some pre-built skills is a much more effective strategy to use. I think people probably fail to appreciate how good Claude co-work and Claude code are if you build some workflows around it and some instructions, actually understanding construction drawings as it is now. So the first skill I built that I use all the time is my drawing analyzer skill, which basically what it does is it takes a big 15 megabyte set of construction drawings and it splits it into individual PDF drawings and then creates a markdown representation of exactly what is on each drawing. It creates a symbol library of the legend. And it also creates a cross-references. So it understands that if you have a layout drawing with a footing detail on one drawing, it then creates cross-references to which drawing the section view of that footing is. So for example, I ran this on a set of construction drawings, a similar set of construction drawings, and it's created a markdown representation of each drawing. it has split the drawings into individual PDFs, and it creates this library of the drawing index, what is exactly on each drawing. It links it to the individual markdown files, and basically it makes, instead of AI having to process every time it reads a drawing, it has to process a 4 megabyte PDF. Basically creates a really detailed summary of exactly what is on each drawing, and then AI strategically pulls information as it needs it. If you do want access to this drawing analyzer skill plus some other skills, then I'll put a link for them in the video description. And again, we host these in our AI community where we offer unlimited one-on-one tech support to actually help you set up and implement these, as well as this massive library of pre-built Claude skills for different construction tasks. The next Claude skill that I've been putting a ton of effort into, and I've been putting a lot of work into getting it accurately as possible, is the construction takeoff skill, which does a similar thing to Bluebeam, where it goes through your construction drawings, identifies all the items that it can count, and then exports these to so marks them up on the drawings so you can audit how it is done the takeoff, and then exports these into an Excel workbook where you can actually see the takeoff it's created, and it breaks it into primary and secondary quantities. So you can see, for example, this set of construction drawings, it has got the quantity of the different footings, it's given a level of confidence, and then it breaks it down into the secondary quantities, looking at, for example, the number of pad footings. It'll then break it down into how much excavation, concrete, formwork, and mesh. And we're setting this up to do electrical, mechanical, civil, all types of different quantity takeoffs. And again, the beauty of these skills is you can literally just type construction takeoff and then AI will run the task. The last skill, which again is really easy to set up, is just a PDF markup skill, which basically gives AI and pre-writes some code to actually go and perform all these markups. So again, none of this was done with Bluebeam. None of this you have to pay for special software for. Basically, you can build these within your own library of Claude skills and call them whenever you want.